This is gonna be in a separate video from the last one. If you didn't see our first part of this, check out the first part. It's a continuation of the first part. Now, after we got the top on, after about a good 5 minutes, we're gonna put
Where's
this
the water bottle?
Actually, yeah, good question.
If he jumps, he's getting out.
Yes. This might be another 5 minutes, but we're not gonna cut to that because I want to make it to the 10-minute mark. Susan Wojcicki, give me my fucking ad revenue. Bastard.
It's not. There you go.
Fuck.
Yay!
Hey!
Where's the other one?
Here's the other one.
You gotta have this one, because if he jumps and gets out of that, you're screwed. I caught that, by the way.
Good.
I don't think he quite gets the concept of this one yet.
There's fucking shit and stuff in it.
Will feed clean after then?
Let me just empty this in there really quick. Put that into there so it catch all the water. And, you ready?
Yep.
What we do is we do this.
Oh, you should take the hot. Never mind. There's the boy! Oh.
It's our beautiful baby boy. We gave birth to him about a couple months ago.
He'll figure it out. There you go. Oh.
Get your ass in there, bud. There you go.
And quickly cut it.
No, hang on. Wait a minute. And we put his fucking hut back in there. This little bastard. He bit Ashley today. We're all good. And you want to film him?
Yeah.
Good. That means you get to vacuum up the millet that's spilled.
Yeah, the mess you made.
Yeah, the mess I made. Yeah.
He's so pretty.
And what we're gonna do now is keep filming him. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get some cucumbers.
He's so cute. He's mean, but I love him. No. Okay.
Where's my knife?
Mine's just so photogenic.
Yeah, they are. Because I see a break. If you guys don't know, the back of my phone case is green. And when I see a weird color that they don't normally see or have evolved to see, they're like, what the fuck is that? If you want, you can film me cutting the cucumber. Babe.
Okay. Fine. He was so much cuter, but okay.
Check out this wicked ass fucking knife by Ozark Trail.
Big hands in the way. Alright, that's enough.
Do you want some fucking cucumber?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's why I'm cutting some.
If they don't eat it in like 2 days, it stinks.
Yes. And plus the cucumber does help make the cage smell a little bit better.
Yeah, when it's fresh.
When it's fresh, yeah.
Is that 2
And
days and it's
all mice like cucumber.
Get your hand out of the way.
Since I want ad revenue, I'm going to put ASMR in the title. Take it back.
Yeah, I'm enjoying that wheel.
Since we got him, he hasn't basically taken a step away from that wheel. I'm a very sound sleeper, so I don't notice it at night, but
I do.
she's a very light sleeper. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to feed all 3 of our mice.
Fuck, stop. Hi.
Babe, if you do the honor. Just place it in the one underneath the water bottle. Just grab a couple slices. There you go. Throw it in. And the amount, you didn't put it in the bowl.
Shh, it's okay.
Take this one, put it in the bowl. That way one stays fresh. when mice grow bigger, the amount will increase, but the frequency that we feed them will decrease. Or increase, I don't fucking know, depending on how well your mice eat or their diet or what they eat. We try to feed our mice a variety of things.
Yeah, don't feed them every day because they like to take their food and hide it.
You grab the litter and you like, let's say you look in the girls' cage, right? If I were to take all that litter out and go like this and grab a big fistful of what's underneath there, the majority of that would be food. So I'm gonna feed the girls now. And point. And so yeah, that's how you clean a mouse's cage. And we might update tomorrow, we might not, and the rest of this video will be Ashley filming the mouse.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because he's cute.
Does he have millet in his cage or no?
Yes, it's everywhere actually.
I just spilled a fuck ton of millet. We're gonna have to vacuum that in the morning or else we'll get in.
Alright, we done?
If you wanna be.
Alright, bye.
See you guys.